even though I'm a bit windswept, and because I'm very excited, we've got lunch with you. I'm going to show you what I'm having while we are in Menorca for my food. Bear in mind I'm celiac, so this is gluten-free. First thing we have for lunch, because we're in Spain, we've got some mixed paella. This is veal cutlet. This is, I think it's swordfish. I'm not that sure. And some chicken wings and a panna cotta for dessert. But it looks a little, I'm not sure how that is. Hopefully it's good. And you help yourself to, we've got water and I've got a Coke Zero. And look at that, lovely view. So I will show you all my meals while I'm here for 4 days. So you can see, I am a bit samey. Obviously Jasmine's not gluten-free, so she can have bread and things, which is great. So dessert, I'm acting like a 5-year-old. I went to the ice cream machine. Got some vanilla sauce, some coconut, desiccated coconut, chocolate vermicelli, nuts, more coconut. Interesting. Breakfast day one. Got quite a lot for me. So there's bacon. Is that actual bacon? Beef, so it tastes like it. It's actual like bacon, I think. We've got some mushrooms. Not too sure about the mushrooms. They're not very fried.
I didn't see them.
But that's just me. Some cold ham, some fried eggs, scrambled egg with cheese. Jasmine's got mint tea. I've got a coffee, which was all bit UHT, but I'm sounding like I'm complaining. But Jasmine's got some fruit. I might have some fruit afterwards as well. It's lunchtime, first day, so I've got some pork that's got a glaze on it, quite nice. A little bit of cheese of some description. This has got bread, so ignore that. I'm going to take the smoked salmon off. A few little bits of potatoes, literally 4 chips, because why not? Some chicken breast, some sautéed spinach, sorry, thank you, my words are escaping me. And that's got onion in it, but I'm going to leave the onion because I'm not so good with that. This is coconut rice pudding and some fresh melon. Jasmine's not celiac, but she's got a really nice pasta salad which is delicious. And some other bits of pasta and a bit of salad. Unusually tonight for dinner, I have a small sangria. Now, because I don't drink, I've literally got the smallest bit of sangria in there like that. And then topped it up with fizzy orange, which is quite cute. So you've got the flavour of it, but not really much else. And while in Spain, have some paella. This has got cuttlefish in it. I've never had cuttlefish, so that's interesting. Chorizo sausage, I might not have too much of that. Cutest carrots in the world. And some potato wedges. I don't know what Jasmine's got. And there's not really any dessert I can have other than ice cream. So I might have some melon. Good morning. Breakfast time again. Okay, so it's a bit different today. I've gone for a cold breakfast. I wasn't overly impressed. Jasmine said that's the best thing that there was.
I mean, they weren't that bad.
They weren't that bad.
Really good yesterday.
I don't know, I just didn't enjoy it as much, and I thought a little bit of cheese. It's all very processed, which is not ideal, but I'll enjoy that. So I'm not sure what that cheese is actually. Let me if you know, put it in the comments. And then just some normal cheese, some, what's that called?
Parmesan.
Like a parmesan, some normal ham, a bit of salami. And then I've got some yoghurt, just a little tiny bit of strawberry flavour. And in there I've got some of those dried fruits that are sweet, a date, a nut, a date, a prune, some orange, some pineapple, some banana. I've got my own coffee, so I like this one, which I'm going to put in the hot water. A Menorca, normal water, and Jasmine's got her mint tea. We're ready to go. So tonight it is a little bit of house salad, which looks really cute actually. I've added some bits to it. And then we've got swordfish. I added mango, Jazz, a bit weird. Spinach and sauce. Yeah, it's mango chutney, it said. Some green beans and a few chips. But I do love the swordfish in Spain, it's nice. Jazz has got all that. She's nonsense.
They didn't cut the pizza up so much today, which is why it's so large.
Okay, hun. No worries. Tonight's dinner is duck with orange and jacket potato with cheese, which is what I wanted, fancied, and broccoli and a few chips. Jasmine's got.
We don't need to look at mine tonight.
Oh, we won't look at that tonight. So it's travel day now. It's now time for us to fly home. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Bear in mind that the foods that I've talked about here just naturally don't have gluten containing ingredients in them, it doesn't necessarily mean they won't be cross-contaminated. So please do your own due diligence. Speak to the chef when you get there and ask if you can have your food cooked separately. Okay, take care. Bye for now. So just before I sign out, I managed to get a nice little cappuccino. Ignore the Twix, that's not for me. I found these little, I say they're like macaroons, a nice gluten-free little wrapped up cakes. First cake I've had all week. And I think Jazz is going to help me with that.